Today I'm going to make bubur gandum. What is bubur gandum? Bubur gandum is a Malay word. Bubur, it means porridge. Gandum, it means wheat. This is a sweet wheat porridge. Let me show you how to make bubur gandum. It is very similar to making the green bean soup or the mung bean soup, which I have done a video. If you haven't watched that video, I'll post the link below the description, or it'll be on the top right of this video. To make bubur gandum, you need just few ingredients. The ingredients are similar as making the mung bean soup. The difference is the gandum itself. In English, it's called wheat berries. I have 1 cup of wheat berries soaked in water overnight. Other ingredients, pandan leaves. Pandan leaves, I have 4 and it's knotted. Coconut cream, 200 ml of coconut cream. Palm sugar or gula melaka that comes in a block. I have shaved the palm sugar. This is the shaved palm sugar. Now, depending on the brand and the maker of the palm sugar, it can be quite different. This palm sugar, as you can see, is quite light, and this is darker in color. So that's palm sugar. Sago, I'm going to use sago to thicken the porridge. Let's get started and I'll show you how to make bubur gandum. First, I'm going to do is to boil 1.5 liters of water with the pandan leaves. In this pot, I have 1.5 liters of water. I'm going to put the pandan leaves in here, bring the water to the boiling temperature. I rinse and wash the gandum under the running tap about 4 to 5 times until the water is almost clear. Soak it overnight in the fridge. Now I'm going to drain the water. This is 1 cup of gandum or wheat berries that has been soaked overnight. Now I'm going to pour it into the boiling water that is flavored with the pandan leaves. Bring the water back to the boiling temperature. Now I'm going to lower down the temperature to let it simmer. Cover with a lid and let it simmer for 1 hour, but need to check every 15 minutes just to check to make sure that the gandum is cooked through before we add the sago. Let's take a quick look. My gandum has been simmering for the last 30 minutes. The gandum is cooked, but I like it to cook longer. Some people might cook it for just 30 minutes. I like to cook it for at least 1 hour. The longer you cook the gandum, the better in terms of the texture of the gandum itself. So I'm gonna let it cook for another 30 minutes. The gandum has been cooking for 1 hour. Let's have a look. It's definitely cooked. Yeah, it's definitely cooked. And now the next step I'm going to do is optional. I'm going to add sago. Another name for sago is tapioca pearl. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sago. It needs to be washed, rinsed and washed a few times. Continue to cook for another 30 minutes or until the sago is cooked through. I like to use sago to make my bubur gandum. The reason is that the sago itself is a bit starchy. It will thicken the bubur gandum, which is the texture that I'm looking for. I don't want my gandum to be watery and runny. I just like it to be a little bit thick and smooth. You need to make sure the sago is cooked through. You know the sago is cooked through when it turns from white to a clear color. You can see the sago, that's the sago. It's still white in color. It needs to be transparent, so that is sago. Bubur gandum should not be watery. The liquid itself needs to be slightly thicker and smooth. If you don't want to use sago, which is optional, you can add tapioca starch or cornstarch to thicken the liquid. You can see the sago is cooked. The sago is transparent. There is still a tiny little dot in the middle, which is fairly white, but it will still cook right through. The bubur gandum now is a bit bland and it's a bit tasteless. We're going to give it some taste so it'll be nice to eat. I'll be adding palm sugar in it to make it sweet. That's why it's called sweet wheat porridge. This, I can't tell you how much sugar to add in. I'm going to show you how much sugar I'm going to add in based on how sweet I like my bubur gandum. I have shaved the palm sugar and I'm going to add 4 tablespoons. That's 1, 4. I like to add gula merah. Gula merah or red sugar. This gula merah or red sugar is made from pure cane sugar. This sugar is a little bit more sweeter. So add 1 tablespoon of gula merah. What it does, this gula merah or red sugar will give the bubur gandum a nicer, darker color. Not too sweet, it's just enough for my own taste. That's 4 tablespoons of palm sugar and 1 tablespoon of red sugar. Next, I'm going to add, to give it the richness in my bubur gandum, is to add coconut cream. 200 ml of coconut cream with half a teaspoon of salt. That's 200 ml. Gonna add half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it through. And I'm gonna pour it into my bubur gandum to give it the richness of the sweet wheat porridge. Now that's bubur gandum. I can smell the coconut cream. The santan itself smells beautiful. And it removes the pandan leaves. Yes. Can see the sago. Can see the sago is now cooked right through. It's clear, it's no longer white. My bubur gandum is now cooked and is ready to taste. Bubur gandum, sweet wheat porridge. Not too sweet, just enough for me. It's nice, it has a nice texture. The nice texture of the gandum, and it's not watery. It's just nice, silky smooth, the liquid itself. I like this. If you enjoyed this video, please share with your friends and family. and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor Koo. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!